eastern Pennsylvania until midnight tonight. At 8 p.m., trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Streets and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Newark, Chester, Pennsville, Yadkin, Carneys Point, Conshohocken, Palmyra, Fulcrum, and Swarthmore. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.